Hey, I'm John. Welcome to Mr. G's Workbench. How about we go off the books for a few minutes? Hey, welcome to Mr. G's Workbench. If you're a first-time visitor, welcome. If you're a return visitor, welcome back. If you're familiar with the off-the-book segment we do, it's where we discuss a build that I didn't document on camera. And we just kind of do a post-build review of it. So today's build is the Avro Anson from Airfix models in 1/48 scale. And I had the original boxing. There's two boxings now. They did the original one with the turret on the back, and there's a secondary boxing they did recently without the turret with different markings. So the secret is you can build either version with the parts given to you in the box. This kit came to my attention when it was built by a couple of people online. And one of them, I want to say, was Tim Scale Models. An English guy. I really love his channel. Shout out to Tim. Saw him build it, and I was fascinated with it. It's not a fighter plane, so it was a little bit different. And I love the idea of just building a twin-engine utility plane. And this ticked all the boxes for me. I don't build a lot of Airfix, not necessarily by choice, more by subject matter. But this one fascinated me. And to be quite honest, it was a fun build. I did not build it as an RAF plane. I built it as an Israeli plane using decals from Extra Decal. So you're going to see the markings were really kind of simple. It was 6 blue stars and then the number 02 on each side of the tail. That's it. The orange stripes are painted on. That was all the markings. And then I used some of the kit stencils to do like the no steps. I think that was it. There aren't a lot of markings on it. Obviously, the key with all this glass is building up the interior to be nice and neat. And I'm going to tell you, the Quinta instrument panels are a must-have for this kit. If you want to build it and have it look really, really take it to the next level, I highly recommend getting the Quinta instrument panels for it. Not a sponsor, but call me. They really kind of made the difference. I painted the interior green. I used a green from the new Atom line from Ammo. And paint went on really well. Its airbrush is good, and you can also use a regular brush with it. It brushes on well. The parts fit together fairly well. Test fit everything as you go along, getting that interior skeleton built up. If it doesn't go, you're going to know that you wasted your money on this build. Take your time, test fit everything. It comes together nicely. Everything had a positive locating mechanism. Fuselage comes together. Make sure you use the right clear parts for the outside. There's a couple of different versions of the glass. So I just used the drawings from Extra Decal as my reference. Honestly, I couldn't find any photographs of Israeli Avro Ansons online. I had one spot where on the right-hand side of the fuselage, I had trouble getting the glass to sit flush. So that was my one, kind of foible with this kit. The engines, they look nice once you paint them up and you give them a black wash after that. They look good. They fit into the nacelles well. The cowlings go over without issue. It was a relaxing, enjoyable build. I think it took me a couple of weeks to put it together. I had paint masks from, I think the company is called Art Scale or Ask. It's one of those, and I apologize for not remembering. But that's the other thing you definitely need with this kit, obviously, is a good set of paint masks. And they came in really handy. And the outside of the plane, I painted the silver is AK Extreme Metal Aluminum. And what's terrific is that Airfix actually kind of molded in that what they call oil canning into the wings, so that you can see the the metal stretched across the frame and everything, and it really sets it apart. I highly recommend this kit if you're looking for something different, something that's not a fighter plane, and something that really can kind of, it helped me to really focus on detail painting and getting that interior just so. So take a look at this kit. Let me know what you think of it. If you built one of your own, let me know down in the comments as well. And we'll leave it at that. Short, sweet, and to the point. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks to my channel member family whose names are scrolling up the screen right now. Appreciate you stopping in. And be sure to check out my merch. The link is down below. And take a look. I was kind of proud of myself. I put this stuff, together. So let me know what you think of that as well. So until the next time we get together, take care, stay well, and I'll see you next time.